Alright, so we have all the pistons taken out, and number 3 is fried. You can see all that right there. And then all those ones, they look quite nice, but we'll still have to get a new one. Here's them all right here. There's 4, there's 3. These just didn't come off of these ones. These ones are like split in half. I don't know if that's good, but if you do know, let me know. So there's 4, there's 3, there's 2 and 1. This is the front. This is the thing I use to take off all these bolts. There we go. And so yeah, if you have any tips, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Yeah, look how sad she looks. Trekzilla. I'll get you a fresh paint and flames. Actually, the graffiti. What about y'all think?